Replacing the doors in your home is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can undertake. Whether you're updating outdated doors for aesthetic reasons or improving your home's energy efficiency, residential door replacement in Washington can bring a host of benefits. However, if you've never gone through the installation process before, it can seem overwhelming. Understanding what to expect during door installation can help ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. In this article, we'll walk you through the door replacement process in Washington, what you should expect before, during, and after installation, and how to prepare for the project. Initial consultation and measurement. The door replacement process begins with a consultation and measurement to determine the best fit for your home. This is an essential step to ensure that your new door fits properly and functions as expected. Professional evaluation. A professional door installation expert will assess your current door frame to ensure it is square and free from any issues that might complicate the installation process. They will also evaluate your current door's performance in areas like security, insulation, and durability. Choosing the right door. During the consultation, the installer will help you choose the right style, material, and features based on your needs. Options may include fiberglass, steel, or wooden doors, and the decision will depend on factors like budget, security, energy efficiency, and design preference. Accurate measurements. The installer will take precise measurements of the door frame to ensure that the new door fits perfectly. Proper measurements are crucial to avoid gaps, air leaks, and issues with functionality later on. Door removal and preparation. Once you've selected your new door and agreed on a timeline, the next step is preparing for the installation. This includes removing the existing door and preparing the frame for the new one. Removal of the old door. The installer will begin by removing the existing door, which may involve taking off the door frame, hardware, and any trim that needs to be replaced. If there are any underlying issues, such as rotting wood or damage to the frame, this will be addressed before proceeding with the installation. Frame repairs, if necessary. In some cases, the door frame may need repairs before the new door can be installed. This is especially true if your current door frame has suffered from water damage, rot, or warping. Professional installers will take care of any frame adjustments, ensuring that the new door fits securely. Preparing for weather seals. Once the old door is removed and the frame is prepared, the installer will also ensure the opening is sealed properly to prevent air leaks. This is especially important in Washington, where weather conditions can vary dramatically. Installation of the new door. The main event, the installation of your new door, is when all the planning and preparation comes together. During this step, you'll see your vision for your home's entryway take shape. Placing the new door. The installer will carefully position the new door into the frame, checking for alignment and fit. The door must be level and plumb to ensure proper operation and avoid any long-term issues such as difficulty opening or closing. Securing the door. After positioning the door, the installer will securely fasten it in place using screws or nails. Depending on the material and style of the door, they may also install additional hardware, such as handles, locks, or deadbolts. Sealing and insulating. Once the door is in place, the installer will ensure it's properly sealed to prevent drafts and heat loss. They will use weather stripping and foam insulation around the edges to ensure maximum energy efficiency. This is particularly important in Washington, where temperature fluctuations throughout the year can cause your energy bills to rise if your door isn't properly sealed. Finishing touches. Once the door is installed, the installer will complete the finishing touches to ensure everything is clean, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Adding trim and hardware. If necessary, the installer will replace or install new trim around the door, matching it to the style of your home. They will also check that all hardware, locks, handles, and hinges are properly installed and working smoothly. Final inspection. After everything is installed, the installer will do a final check to make sure the door opens and closes smoothly, the locks function properly, and the door is well sealed. They may also inspect for any gaps, air leaks, or other issues that could compromise the performance of the door. Cleanup and disposal. A professional installer will always leave your home clean and tidy after the job is complete. After installing the door, they will clean up any debris, such as packaging materials, old hardware, or pieces of the old door. Old door disposal. Most installers will handle the disposal of your old door, taking it away for recycling or proper disposal. If you have a specific request for the old door, make sure to communicate that before the project begins. Final walkthrough. Before leaving, the installer will walk you through the new door's operation, ensuring that everything is working as expected. They'll address any questions you may have and provide any necessary maintenance tips for keeping your new door in good condition. Post-installation support. After the installation is complete, you'll still have access to the installer for support. Many professional door installation companies offer warranties on both the door and the installation. Warranty coverage. If anything goes wrong within the warranty period, you can contact the installer for repairs or replacements at no additional cost. This provides peace of mind knowing that your new door is protected. Conclusion. Residential door replacement in Washington is an excellent investment for homeowners looking to improve the security, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of their home. By choosing a professional installation service, you ensure that your new door is properly fitted, securely installed, and sealed to prevent drafts and energy loss. With expert help, the process is smooth, efficient, and hassle-free. Whether you're upgrading for increased curb appeal or improving energy efficiency, professional door installation is a smart choice that will pay off in comfort, security, and long-term savings.